Hey there! We know you're excited to start cooking delicious meals on your ILVE range, but before you do, let's run through the many functions of the oven. The first selection is pizza mode. It uses the lower element as the main source of heat and is supplemented by the remaining elements to perfectly bake pizza. The conventional oven mode employs the upper and lower elements to evenly distribute heat, making it ideal for cooking meat, poultry, fish, and baking heavy cakes and pastries. The lower elements mode. This setting is suitable for long, slow cooking such as stews and casseroles, or for blind baking and heating up pastries. You'll want to finish off a cooking cycle with this function. The upper elements mode. By using the upper element, this mode permits au gratin style cooking for firm crusts. It's perfect for browning or finishing certain dishes and optimally melting toppings. Conventional broiling and rotisserie mode. Using the upper elements, this mode employs infrared heat for grilling and roasting meat, fish, and even vegetables. Fan broil, circulating hot air from the upper elements with the fan. This mode allows you to expertly cook chops and sausages on the upper level as you bake potatoes on the lower level. Intensive cooking mode. Using the upper and lower elements along with the fan, this mode is ideal for baking breads and cakes by providing unquestionable even heat for the most stubborn dishes. Multiple fan cooking. The fan quickly and evenly distributes heat throughout the oven, making it ideal for batch cooking foods such as muffins and biscuits. Defrost mode. The main advantage of using this for defrosting is it will not dry or par cook your food as a microwave would. This mode can also be used as a preheat function. When the orange light turns off, your desired temperature has been reached. We hope you now have a better understanding of the cooking functions of your ILVE range. Be sure to follow us on all social media platforms for the latest information on products, cooking recipes, and handy tutorials.